Okay, insane day trading today. Well, we dumped like 600 points, but before that, we had a pre-market inverse fair value gap, and like obviously hindsight's 2020 here, but I was looking at it, and on the S&P as well. We filled it on the S&P, and I was looking, and I was like, man, should I just like punch in a short here? And I hesitated, and I was like, no, we gotta wait. But if I did, I would be a billionaire because we just dumped and dumped and dumped. We had these levels here. This is London session, Asia session low. We had Asia session low. We had previous day data wick. And so as we went down to that data wick, let's go to the 1 minute. I had these levels, which one's which? Yeah, so this here, 25.8. Oops. Oh, I cooked it. Yeah, 25,800. That's the data wick. And we took it out. And I went long there because we were getting some displacement upwards. We had no break of structure, nothing. It was kind of like a Hail Mary-ish. Maybe there was a 5 minute? No, we didn't have anything. Oh God, where are we? Yeah, so no, there had to be something there. What is that, 25.8? Maybe it was a 2 minute. Yeah, okay, so we had a 2 minute fair value gap, and I thought we were going to inverse it. I must have just punched a long in a little too early, and then I got out of it super quick. Whatever, I think I had a small loss there. I think I won like 30 cents or something. I think I just got spooked and I got out of it. And then I wanted to try again, so I went long on the next candle and got absolutely fucking wrecked. This was brutal. We just started punching through levels that were like way over there. Yeah, just displacing through levels, going down, and where did I get wrecked on? I had a bad loss somewhere. Where the hell was it? Okay, it's not showing it. We got a buy and a sell. Where was that? I swear it was bigger than this. Let's measure this. Okay, no, that was it. Damn, that's crazy. So I took like a 40-point loss here. Yes, yeah. Okay, brutal. Yeah, 40-point loss here. Got stopped out. Because we're on the 2 minute, that's why. There we go. Yeah, so that was tough, and then I just sat out after we were just displacing lower and lower and lower and lower. But then finally, I also had drawings everywhere here. I was on the 15 second, I was on the 1 second. It was crazy. I had a drawing here. I had some shit here. I think I had more stuff over here. I was like just pulling everything out. So then I was sitting on the 15 second for a long time, just like watching it. So obviously we had a bunch more candles here. And then I was looking at it and I was like, if we break out of this like bullish flag, which is like embarrassing that I was even like looking at this, but I was like, I think we hit a level here, but we also had a double bottom, and I was going to place a long right here if we went down, take out that low, and then retouch this this trend line here. I was going to go along there. I was waiting for it. And then I was like, because like I'd be pretty safe to take one there, because I think that's a level somewhere over, that's like a 15-minute gap or something way far to the left. But even looking at this, I was like, man, if we break out of this, I can't keep sitting on the sidelines. Like, we've moved 600 points. I was like, I have to get a trade. This is so brutal. So then we broke out of this 1 minute, and I literally just watched it. I just watched it go up, and then I was like, oh my God, I should get in. Just watched it. Oh my God, I should get in. Just watched it. And then I started crashing out, and then I got in, and then I got out right away, and then I just said, you know what, fuck this. I'm just going to go in. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to have like a healthy stop. So I went in on that, long on that candle. Didn't really have much drawdown at any point. I mean, like, nothing spectacular here. We had like 5 minute inverse. Yeah, like, look at that. We inversed about 5 minute gap. Went long on that candle, but like we already like missed 125 points. Like, if I had gone, I don't know, hindsight 2020 obviously, but this trade was decent. It's in recent time, it's my best trade so far. I was trying to be the penguin and be courageous and all that bullshit and target these highs right here. We had like 6 equal highs. I had my take profit right here, and I was watching it. We're going up, we're going down, blah blah blah. And that's with it was 2 lots, just over 2 lots I was trading with. I pretty much just like set and forget it, let it just play out, and then I was coming up on like by far my best trade recently. We had $164. It was 80 point move or something, and I was just looking at it and I was like, man, I'd just be furious and crash out if I didn't take some profit, like if we just reversed or whatever. And we were coming into like this gap here. I was like, whatever, I'll just take it as a win. And then sure enough, it just like kind of, I don't know, I should have trailed my stops. I've been telling myself to trail my stops and I haven't done it once. But yeah, we went and would have taken a full take profit, and it would have been like a $288 trade or something. But we'll take the 164. That's not bad for a daily profit of pretty much $100. Like, overall, not a bad day. I'm still pretty upset with how I traded. It could have been a lot better. Yeah, not much more to say. But yeah, back down here, yeah, we just had, I think it was a 15-minute gap. Let's just see what the last level was. Maybe it was a 5-minute gap, I don't know. Maybe it was an hourly? No. Impossible. Maybe it was just this level. Yeah, either way, we took out some lows there, and then we caught a reversal. We had 5-minute inverse fair value gap on a couple of these. V-shape recovery. You could have gone long anywhere there. And yeah,